Hey there, and welcome to Slide Right In, the podcast where we help you level up your presentation game. I am Ryan.
And I am Ramon. Today's episode is about getting started with Microsoft PowerPoint, whether you are building a school report or pitching the clients. This basic will set you up for success.
Alright, alright. Step 1, open PowerPoint. You'll be asked to choose a template. You can start with a blank one or pick a themed design.
We recommend starting simple. You can always customize later. Click on a blank presentation to begin.
You'll see your first slide, usually a title slide. It has two text boxes, one for the title and one for a subtitle.
Click and type. For example, the title, My Project, and the subtitle presented by Ramon Jesus.
To add a new slide, go to the top menu and click New Slide or press Ctrl N.
You'll see a layout options like title and content. To content, select headers and so on. Choose what your content fits.
Click inside the boxes to add text. You can also insert pictures, charts, or videos using the Insert tab.
You want to change the font or the color? Highlights the text, then use the Home tab to bold. Size or change the color?
Visuals are key. Click the Design tab to choose a theme. It will apply consistent fonts and color across all slides.
To insert the image, go to the Insert tab, Pictures, and pick one of from your computers.
For icons or shapes, also under Insert, look for icons or shapes. Drag and resize them just like you would in Word.
Want your slide to move smoothly? Head to the Transition tab. Pick one like Fade or Brush, Fade or Push. Click to apply all to use it across the whole presentation.
And for text or objects, go to Pula Animations. Try having a bullet points fly in or fade in one by one.
But a quick tip, don't overdo it. Clean and simple looks more professional than a disco show.
When you're ready to present, hit F5 to start from the beginning or Shift plus F5 to start from the current slide.
You can also export your slide as a PDF or video. Just go to the file, export, and choose your format.
And that's a wrap on the basic of a PowerPoint. We covered slides, text, images, animations, and how to present.
Next episode, we'll talk about design hacks, how to make your slide pop without being overwhelming.
Thanks for turning in to Slide Right In. Keep those slides sharp and your messages clear.
Catch up next time!